This is Apollo Control at 102 hours into the flight of Apollo 11. It's grown quite quiet here in Mission Control. A few moments ago, Flight Director Gene Kranz requested that everyone sit down, get prepared for events that are coming. And he closed with the remark, "Good luck to all of you."
This artwork is called Luna, and it's a 1 meter diameter sculpture of the moon made out of high resolution NASA data, which is being installed on the Isles of Scilly. 2 years ago, I was invited to St Martin's on the Isles of Scilly to develop a new artwork for Cosmos, the astronomical organisation. I realised that the moon plays a huge part of island life through its influence of the tides. And so that's the reason I came up with this idea. Luna has been made out of high-resolution NASA topographical data. We've taken a surface of a sphere and it's been broken down into about 43 different panels, and each of those panels is being cut with all that topographical information. We've amplified the data by about 2 or 3 times, so the public are able to really feel the texture of the moon. And then all those panels are then bolted together to make a sphere. And then over a period of about 3 weeks, work with a painter, paint on all the surface, craters and mountains and lava fields to make it as accurate as you can.
The logistics of organising stuff on Scilly is tricky. Getting the work here was complicated.
Luke's come to visit us before in school a few years ago, and it was lovely to have him return. To be able to ask him about the work that he does and how he became an artist. He gave us lots of hints and tips for our budding artists of the future, which was fantastic. Living on a small island, we don't get a lot of experiences to meet, people who have really different jobs. So to have Luke come to school, that was really special.
I think it looks amazing. You walk past and it catches your eye. I mean, it's sunny today. The light sort of beams off it, yeah.
The fact that I can get so up close to the moon, that's pretty sweet, man.
The detail of the craters, I would say. Yeah, beautiful, fascinating. It's like that you can actually touch it.
I liked all of how you could see all the different grooves and mountains in it, and how it was not just flat, it was lumps and bumps and texture.
It's a brilliant link between art and astronomy, and I think people that visit the islands, as well as islanders of course, will see it as a thing of real beauty.
I really hope this artwork sort of inspires the next generation of young people to have an interest in astronomy and in the impact of the moon on island life. I hope the artwork is a great asset to Cosmos, the astronomical society here, and the artwork draws in tourists over the coming years.